number 4. Let A 1, negative 1, 2, 0, 3, 4. And B is 4, 0, negative 3, negative 1, and negative 2. Then 3. And for letter C, 2, negative 3, 0, 1, 5, negative 1, negative 4, 2, negative 1, 0, 0, and 3. While the letter D, 2, 1, and 3. Find the letter A, 3A minus 4B, and for B, AB, AC, and AD. And for letter C, BC, BD, and CD. So first, let's get the letter A, 3A minus 4B. So I just multiplied the value of A to 3. So therefore, 3 times 1 equals to 3, negative 3, 6, 0, 9, and 12. Last, negative 4 times negative 4 times 4 equals to negative 16, and negative 4 times 0 equals to 0, and negative 3 times negative 3, negative 4 times negative 3 is equals to positive 12. And 5, 4, negative 4 times 1 equals to positive 4, and negative 4 times negative 2 equals to positive 8, and negative 4 times 3 equals to negative 12. So therefore, ato na siya i-add yung mga values. So 3 plus negative 16 is equals to negative 13, negative 3, then 6 plus 12 equals to 18, and 0 plus 4 equals to 4, 9 plus 8 equals to 17, and 12 plus negative 12 equals to 0. And that's it for letter A. I just multiply 1, negative 1, and 2 sa value of B, which is 4, 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, and 3. So therefore the answer is 4, 0, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, and 3. Then last, negative 1 multiply the value of B is equals to negative 4, negative 0, or 0 lang siya. Then 3, positive 3, then 1, 2, negative 3. Last, 2 times the value of B is equals to 8, 0, negative 6, then negative 2, negative 4, and 6. So, which is, ito lang siyang i-add ang value sa merong value, and first value, second value, and third value of it. So, that's it. Ano siya i-add? 4 plus 1 plus 8, then 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, then negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 6. Negative 6. So, therefore, iyahang answer is 4 plus 1, 5, 13, 13, 12, 13, 2, and negative 12. So, ang value na po sa 0, 3, and 4. This equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then sa 3 plus 12, 0, negative 9, negative 3, negative 6, and 9, plus 16, 0, negative 12, and negative 4, negative 8, then 12, positive 12. So, ato lang siya i-add. Pareho ra gyapon, first value, second value, and third value. Ato lang siya i-pang plus. So, 0 plus negative 3 plus 16, then 0 plus negative 6 plus 0 and 0 plus 9 plus negative 12. It is equals to 13, negative 6, and negative 3. So therefore the AB is equals to 13 to negative 12 and 13, negative 6, and negative 3. Let's proceed to letter B, A, C. So, but first, ano siyang i-add? The row and column. So, therefore, kining letter A is equals to, it is 2 by 3, 2 by 3, while the letter C is equals to 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So, para mas madali ta or makahay, yan yung nasa yung formula or the way nga atong pagkuha. So, I just multiply the 1, negative 1, 2 sa for merong value sa getting sa by row or it is a column. I'm saying so regarding on how to read that one. Then, as well as do the value of negative 3, 1, 0, then and 1, negative 1, then 2 multiplied by 0, negative 4 and 0. Then for 2, for the 2 is negative 1, negative 1, then negative 1 and 2 multiplied by 1, 2, and 3. As well as the 0, 3, 4, and 4. So, yan na siya pagkakuha. So, ato lang siya i-multiply para mas dali ni siya and simplest way. Though puti, but kuan siya, precise. So, it becomes 2 plus negative 5 plus negative 2. Negative 2 dayon, negative 3 plus positive 1 plus 0 and 0 plus negative positive 4 plus 0, then 1 plus negative 1 times 2 equals to negative 2 plus 2 times 3 equals to 6. And while here 0 plus 3 times 5 equals to 15 plus negative 4. And for this one, 0 plus negative 3 and plus 0. Then for this one, 0 times 0 equals to 0 plus 3 times negative 4 equals to negative 12 and plus 4 times 0 equals to 0. And yeah, and 0 times 1 equals to 0 plus 3 times 2 equals to 6 and 4 times 3 equals to 12. So therefore that is the second niya nga po, i-multiply lang ako siya. So ato na siya i-add karon. So 2 plus negative 5. First, ato na siyang i-add ang negative to negative para masaya. Negative 5 plus negative 2 equals to 7. It is 7 minus 2 is equals to negative 5. Then, negative 3 plus 1 plus 0 equals to negative 2. And 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Negative 1, positive 1 plus negative 1 equals to negative 1 plus positive 6 equals to positive 5. Then 15 plus negative 14 equals to 11, positive 11. Then negative 3, negative 12, and 6 plus 12 equals to 18. I just get the value of A and D, then multiply the value of first row, column itself, sa koan, sa letter D, so which is has a 1 column. It becomes a 2 by 2 and 1 by 3. So that's it. Sorry, 2 by 3, I mean. 3 by 3 and 3 by 1. So, pwede na sila i-multiply. So, this is, well, 1 times 3 equals to 2, 1 times, negative 1 times 1 equals to negative 1, and 2 times 3 equals to 6, 0 times 2 equals to 0, and 3 times 1 equals to 3, and 4 times 3 equals to 12. So, therefore, ito na siyang i-add. 2 minus 1 equals to, 2 plus negative 1 equals to 1 plus 6 equals to 7. And 0, 3, 0, 3 plus, 0 plus 3 plus 12 equals to 15. So therefore the answer is 715. And that's it. So let's proceed to letter C, B, C. So I just have the value of B and C, then multiply by itself. Therefore 0, 3, 2, the value of C, and 1, negative 1, negative 2, and 3 to the value of C as well. So, ito na lang siyang i-multiply. So, therefore, the answer is 8 plus 0 plus 3 and 12 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 and 4 plus 0 plus negative 9. And for this value, negative 1 times 2 equals to negative 1, negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 10 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. So, the kanya value is 3 plus 2 plus 0, then 0 plus 8 plus 0, and negative 1 plus negative 4 plus 9. So, ito lang siya i-add. It becomes 11, negative 12, 0, negative 5, and negative 15, then 5, 8, 4. So, that's it for letter C, B, C. So, let's proceed to B and C. So, ito lang i-multiply ang 403 to the value of T and negative 1, negative 2, and 3 to the value of T as well. So, ito lang siyang i-multiply ron. I will multiply this one, so addition na lang. So, I just explain it to you how did I get it. 4 plus 2 times 2 equals to 8. 0 times 1 equals to 0, and negative 3 times 3 is equals to negative 9, and negative 1 times 2 is equals to negative 2, and negative 2 times 2 equals to negative 2, plus negative 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So, therefore, 8 plus 0 equals to 8 plus 0 plus negative 9 is equals to negative 1, and negative 1, and negative 2 plus negative 2 is equals to negative 4 plus 9. So, di man sila pareha o sign. So, ato siya minus. So, therefore, the answer is 5. So, that's it for letter C, B, C. So, let's proceed to C, D, the last number, and letter number 4. So, I just get the value of C and D, but due to this is here same, it's because it is 3 by 4 sa letter C. It is letter C. Then sa D is 3 by 1. So, dapat pareho man guni siya og kanang value para makuha na to. So, therefore, ato siyang i-transpose ang C para makuha siya. It becomes 4 by 3 and 3 by 1 para ma-multiply na to ang iyahang kuan. So gi-transpose na ko the value of 2, 1, negative 1. Dili mo na ko siya first column, then arrow, first row, and all the column of it, ako siya gipakuan. Parang same ra gihapon siya if ato siya i-transpose balik to 3 by 4 and it becomes 4 by 3 now. So, pwede na nato siya i-multiply sa 2, sa 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. So, therefore, let's have the solution on it. So, akong i-multiply ang 2 by 2, negative 3, 0, 1. What I mean is 2, 5, 1 to the value of letter D, and 3, negative 1, 0 to the multiplied by the value of letter D, and 0, 4, 0 multiplied to the value of letter D as well, and the 1, 2, 3 multiplied by the value of D, which is 2, 1, and 3. So, I just have 2 times 2 equals to 4, 5 times 1 equals to 5, 1 times 3 equals to 3, and 3 times 2 equals to 6, and negative 1 times 1 is equals to negative 1, and 0 times 3 is equals to 0, and 0 times 2 is equals to 0, negative 4 times 1 is equals to negative 4, and 0 times 3 equals to 0, and 1 times 2 equals to 2, and 2 times 1 equals to 2, and plus 3 times 3 equals to 9. So, aga na siyang i-add ang value niya. So, 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 12. And 6 plus negative 1 is equals to positive 5. And negative 4. 4 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. So, therefore, it is the answer of C, D, and number 4. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope, check, see you, sir, and God bless. Keep safe po. Bye-bye.